Yashika Sharma of class 7 and I am a student of Tinker Coder from the past 3 months. So let's see one of my best projects in AI Connect Graphic Python. That is carom board. I have made this carom board with some few blocks like move forward, turn left by and create new turtle. So let's see the output. This is the carom board. It is not much difficult and you can also make it. Thank you.